The wait is finally over, the GoPro Hero 14 Black has landed, and the hype around it is off the charts. GoPro claims it's their most powerful and intelligent action camera yet. But here's the real question. Is this the ultimate game changer we've been waiting for, or just another small upgrade from last year's Hero 13? Well, today on GadgetVerse, we're putting it to the test. From its brilliant new displays to next-level stabilization and mind-blowing video quality, the Hero 14 is packed with upgrades that could redefine what's possible for creators, adventurers, and everyday storytellers alike. Let's start with the design. The Hero 14 looks familiar but feels more premium and rugged. It's slightly more compact, with a tougher grip and improved waterproof sealing, making it even more reliable in extreme conditions. The redesigned battery system offers longer shooting time and faster charging, perfect for those who hate missing the action. Now the front display, wow. It's brighter, sharper, and tailor-made for vloggers who want perfect framing every time. The rear touchscreen has been refined too. It's silky smooth, incredibly responsive, and navigating through settings finally feels effortless. GoPro seems to have struck the perfect balance between power and simplicity, letting you film instantly without getting lost in endless menus. But let's talk about what really matters: performance. The Hero 14 Black now supports 8K video recording at 30 FPS, giving you crystal clear detail that feels cinematic. And for slow motion lovers, 4K at 240 FPS delivers buttery smooth shots that could easily pass for pro-level footage. GoPro's legendary hyper-smooth stabilization has evolved once again, making your shots feel gimbal-like. Even during high-speed chases, rough trails, or water sports, creativity gets a massive boost too. Features like time warp, horizon lock, and cinematic mode are more refined than ever, letting you capture every story exactly how you imagined it. Plus, the ability to record in higher bit rates gives editors more depth and flexibility during post-production. The new image sensor is another highlight. It captures richer colors, sharper textures, and handles shadows and highlights beautifully, especially in low light. Night shots now look cleaner, crisper, and far more detailed, proving that the Hero 14 isn't afraid of the dark. Connectivity also gets smarter. Wi-Fi transfers are faster, Bluetooth pairing is seamless, and the companion app feels more fluid than ever. The best part? AI-powered editing tools now suggest highlights and transitions automatically, perfect for creators who want professional-looking videos with less effort. Cloud uploads are quicker too, and live streaming in higher resolution means your audience gets the best seat in the house, in real time. Customization continues to be a GoPro superpower. The Hero 14 works with most old mounts, but also introduces modular add-ons like upgraded mics, extended batteries, and lens attachments, giving you the freedom to build your setup however you like. At the end of the day, the GoPro Hero 14 Black isn't just an upgrade, it's a statement. It combines 8K power, world-class stabilization, smarter software, and rugged reliability into one incredible package. It's built for travelers, adventurers, vloggers, and anyone who refuses to settle for good enough. So, what do you think? Has GoPro finally nailed the perfect action camera, or are you still waiting for the next big leap? Drop your thoughts in the comments. I'd love to hear what you think. If you enjoyed this review, make sure to like the video, subscribe to GadgetVerse, and hit that notification bell so you never miss our latest deep dives into the world of tech and adventure. Until next time, stay creative, stay bold, and keep exploring with GadgetVerse.